All right, today is May 22nd, 2022, and I've picked the feed green beans already, but I just want to take the time to show y'all how they look and how many we have. This is what I picked thus far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 of them. I'm not going to let them get as big this year as they did last year because they were kind of tough. But anyway, got a lot of green beans to pick, and I'm most definitely not going to pick them all tonight, but it's just too many. At least I think it is anyway. So these things only took about 6 weeks from the time I planted. So now it's been about 6 weeks. I planted early April, and today, like I said, is May 22nd. So it's very quick this year. And look at that kale. Same thing with the kale. A lot of kale this year in such short time. There's one variety of kale, and this is another variety of kale right here. A lot of chard here happening. Might grab some there too. You know why? It's nice and tender. Why it's nice and tender. More chard right there. I'm gonna take a look over here. See if we have anything growing on these vines. This is cucumbers. A cucumber vine. I know we have some growing on the other side. I'll show y'all that in a minute. Let me repeat that. I'll show y'all that in a minute, just in case y'all can't hear me. Got a lot of flowers there happening. This is cantaloupe. A lot of flowers on the cantaloupe. I planted a few more the other day. Yeah, this is pretty tough here. It's time for me to go ahead and clip a few leaves off that. Wow, it's nice and big this year. My transplants are looking very good. Of course, I planted something last week. I think it was early last week, and then I planted more just a few days ago. And I can tell that they have already rooted themselves because it's starting to grow. All right, so this is the cucumber vines that I have over here, and I did see a small little cucumber somewhere. Oh, there it is. Small little cucumber right there. That's one, and that's two. Two small little cucumbers. We got 3 here. That's the third one right there. All right, so on the back side over there we have I think 22 white sweet potato slips, and the ones I planted up here was additional 12 just the other day. And they wait a minute, let me repeat that. The ones back there are 22 orange sweet potato slips, and the ones up here is 12 white sweet potato slips. So that's 36 in all. And we got just there's one little bit of one growing right there, another sweet potato slip, and we may get some more. But anyway, back to the beans. I'm gonna go ahead and pluck a few of these beans before it get too late. It's already after 8 o'clock p.m. and I don't want to be out too late. It's kind of cool today. I don't know why. May 22nd, and it's cool outside. It's kind of strange, right? All right, anyway, y'all, thanks for joining me, and I'll give y'all an update in the next coming few days, just so y'all can see what's happening. All right, y'all, have a good one. Talk to y'all later.